Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Caleb doing another review for survivaljunk.com, and today we're going to check out the Audew digital air compressor. So let's see how it goes. So guys, yeah, this is the Audew digital air compressor. It was sent to me by the folks at Audew. Did a couple other reviews for some of their products. They've got a really cool little wireless vacuum and a jump starter that I love. But today, it's a digital air compressor. Pretty simple. It's just got one mode for power and to change your units. And it's got a light. And it's pretty much it. It does take measurements in different types of units. Obviously, we're here in the United States, so we're just going to be focusing on the PSI. And I am here in front of my truck. I think that tire's a little bit low, so we're going to test it out on that tire. Try to get up to 35 PSI. And cool little unit. It just plugs in. It's got a fairly long cord and plugs into your cigarette lighter in the car, 12 volt. I imagine you could also get an adapter and just use this out of a wall. So let's give it a whirl and see how it works, okay? Alright guys, so I've got it plugged in there into my cigarette lighter. And the cord seems long enough on this truck at least to reach over to the tire. So let me get this set up. And this one's actually not digital. I don't know if they sent me the manual for a different model. This one just has a regular pressure gauge on it. The manual they sent did have, I guess they might have a model that's a digital one as well. But anyway, we're going to test it out and see how it works. So we're all hooked up. So yeah, this is reading at about, let's see where we need to be. We're actually fairly close to the recommended PSI on this tire, which is about 35. It's reading at about, yeah, just under 35. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. That did crank it up just a little bit, so it should be right where we need to be. And another nice feature on this is it has an included flashlight, so you can do this in the dark. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this off. And definitely have a little bit more pressure in there. And we'll see if any of these other tires are a little bit low. So guys, yeah, all my tires on the truck are looking good right now, but this pump also comes with some needles so you can pump up balls, such as the soccer ball I've got. You can see it's quite flat, so let's go ahead and give that a whirl with the pump and see how it does. This is showing 0 pounds per square inch. Should be about 10 to 15. So let's go go ahead and pump her up. Perfect. Works great. So guys, thank you for watching my review of the Audew air compressor. Definitely a neat little piece of equipment to have in your car, and it also beats having to pay for an air compressor at the gas station or something. You know, great to have in case you get a flat or in case you're out at a sporting event. Also works for bicycle tires, soccer balls, volleyballs, all that kind of stuff. Audew makes some really cool products for the car. They also sent me one of these battery jump starter packs that I reviewed in another video. You can find that review linked in the description. And yeah, check them out. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.